On Sunday, May 31st, 2020, we will embark upon the Rebuilding America movement with commemorative print and online editions nationwide across the 260 markets that make up the USA Today network of publications. The intent is to assist readers as well as the over 170 million consumers that visit our online publications with navigating through the new normal of the American marketplace, nourishing a newfound confidence as we adjust our lives, a fresh outlook filled with personal local stories of strength, success, and guidance within specific categories that impact our everyday life, along with automotive, categories like healthcare, education, retail, real estate, travel, and arts and entertainment. I've personally observed many of you doing amazing philanthropic work within your communities, as well as some of you who are working within your organization to keep your teams and their families staying afloat. One of the most important things that you can do on this earth is to let people know that they're not alone. Through this initiative, we're making it possible for the business community to unite with a sponsorship opportunity shining a light on your unique story, while simultaneously sharing that light with your favorite local establishments. Americans are looking for a path forward, and on May 31st, 2020, this will take place. Day one, what America will look like post the devastation brought on by COVID-19. We're more than hoping that you're going to be a part of this momentous economic awakening by partnering with the entire USA Today network, a trusted powerhouse platform that tells the story of America's rebuilding economy and the unique local experiences of the people within. Reach out to me so we can discuss other creative ways to grow a strong community business alignment and how you can support the people that support you.